Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be doing a Michael Kors unboxing. So I guess this is my very first Michael Kors purchase in probably like 10 years or so. So yeah, I don't even remember last time I purchased an item from Michael Kors, but I was at the store, I was at the boutique, and I saw this beautiful purse, and I said, oh my gosh, this is really nice. I love the leather and also the hardware as well, so I end up buying it. I haven't really opened this one yet, so let's see what we got here. Okay, look at that. They actually wrapped this one beautifully. Okay, I'm just gonna rip this and to reveal. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this, guys. Oh, the moment I saw this at the store, I said, okay, this is it. I wanted to take her home and add her in my collection. So here is my Michael Kors Hendrix medium top handle purse. Wow. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Right away, I saw this closure right here. This one is in a silver hardware, so you guys could see. I just really love the style of it. So all you have to do is just pull this one up, and then it opens like this. Oh my gosh. I just love it. Like that, and then you can close it. It is stunning. And also another thing that what makes this one really attractive is the leather. This one is actually made up of a shiny calf embossed leather. Beautiful. Look how shiny that is. Oh my gosh. This one looks very luxurious, guys. I mean, I don't know. It's just it's so beautiful. So anyway, let me just take off some of the stuffing inside. Okay, so that we will be able to see the interior of this purse. As you guys can see right here, the lining right here at the flap. This one is made up of microfiber cloths. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. It's so soft and so smooth. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to give you a closer look so you guys will be able to see up close. Okay, so the inside more likely has several compartments here. So the interior has 1, 2, and then 3 compartments. This one is lined with microfiber cloth. Oh, I mean, from all of these compartments inside. Okay, we have 3 compartments. I was trying to make it sure that all of these are lined with microfiber. Yes, all those 3 compartments here are lined with microfiber cloth. That is amazing. Here's the tag. This one is originally $358, and now actually I got this one in sale. And I got this around $230 US. That's before tax. And I think it is a great price though. I think. And then this one has a strap right here. This one has a silver hardware. Oh wow, this one, the hardware right here, the clasp right here is similar to the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. Look at that. It is just has similarities though. Wow. Yeah, obviously guys, this one is similar to Pochette Metis, and also this one has similarities as well as the Coach Cassie bag, like the structure itself. Oh my goodness. So this one right here, in the middle compartment, this one has a zip closure, which is really nice. So this one has the dust bag as well on the inside. Wow, the inside looks very luxurious, guys. Oh wow, I just love those microfiber lined in it. It is simply amazing. And also at the back right here, another pocket. Wow, look at that. Another slip pocket right there with another zipper as well. So yeah, this is how it looks in the inside. It's similar to, yeah, it has this accordion type, so you guys can see on the side. Wow, the leather, it's amazing. Oh my goodness. So I also love the closure. That, yeah, that's my favorite part of it. Love this hardware. And also this one, my favorite one, this one has a top handle. Oh wow, I just love this top handle. You guys, as you guys can see right here, this one is silver. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. And at the back, so you guys can see, there is actually one long slip pocket right here at the back where you could just put your phone, and lined with microfiber cloth. Wow, for $230 US. It's made up of a leather and also lined with this microfiber cloth. I said, wow, that's actually amazing. This one looks so pretty, guys. So yeah, I would definitely gonna recommend this. I know that you could go to the Michael Kors boutique. You could actually check a Dillard's as well. You could check Macy's. They have this if this one's still available though. So yeah, currently this one is in sale and I would highly recommend it. I just love this beautiful hardware. Right away, guys, as you guys have noticed right here, I'm gonna give you a closer look. This one is already has mark and scratches. So when I open the pack, this one, as you guys can see, that this one's still in the original packaging, the original manufacturer's packaging, and this one is already scratches. That's because of the leather itself. That's the nature of a calfskin leather. So yeah. But still, regardless of having that mark, it's still beautiful. It looks very, very classy and luxurious. Wow. This one has glazing around the corner, on the side as well, on the flap as well. Right here. This one really reminds me of a Louis Vuitton though. I just can't get over that. This one reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. I mean, I think in all of their straps or hooks or clasp. So this one really reminds me of that. And yeah, beautiful. Wow. Such a really nice color. Such a really nice leather. Such a really nice hardware. And then the silver hardware complements perfectly with the leather itself, because this is glossy and this one is shiny silver as well. Beautiful. So now I have my Cassie here. She is here, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of a comparison between the two. So this is my Cassie. So yeah, so this is a little bit of a comparison. This one is made up of pebbled leather, and this one is in a glossy calf embossed leather. So this is just a little bit of a comparison between the two. And okay, just like that. I think it looks better just like this. So that's just a little bit of a quick comparison between the two together. So both looks very, very simple, looks classy. And yeah, this one is available in other colors as well, which is in luggage or brown. And also this one is available in black and a gold hardware and black and a silver hardware. But I love this silver. Very lovely. So this is the comparison between the two on the front and on the side. So you guys can see it's just almost the same. And also the back as well. It has a pocket right there at the back. So yeah, this one has already started. I'm getting marks in here, but I think this one would go away if you would just try to massage it a little bit so that marks will go away. So yeah, it went away for a little bit. Yeah, that's the nature of this beautiful pebbled leather. You're not going to worry about any dent or marks because you could just massage the leather and it seems like it went away. But with this one is entirely different. Yeah, but yeah. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.